Who was Florence Nightingale? Born on May 12, 1820, in Florence, Italy, Florence Nightingale was a revolutionary figure in nursing. Here are the top 5 reasons she's legendary. 1. Known as the Lady with the Lamp, she made nightly rounds to care for wounded soldiers during the Crimean War. 2. She founded the first scientifically based nursing school, the Nightingale School of Nursing, in 1860. 3. Nightingale significantly reduced death rates through her strict hygiene practices. 4. She wrote over 150 books, pamphlets, and reports on healthcare reforms. 5. She was the first woman awarded the Order of Merit by the British government. Subscribe for daily historical figures.